Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the daily time frame. So I've been saying for probably almost 2 weeks now that this was going to take out the high wave A, and it definitely did do that yesterday. I think this is still likely an A, and this is a B, and this is a C of the weekly time frame downtrend or the monthly time frame downtrend. So now that we took out the higher wave A, it could potentially turn at any one of these Fibonacci levels. So we definitely need to either wait for a break of structure, maybe on a little bit of a shorter time frame to the downside, or like a significant lower high to tell us that this uptrend is over, to tell us that this is actually now back into a downtrend. Definitely no reason to say it's over yet, and it could push up to the 90 and 100% pretty easily. So definitely will be continuing to trade with the trend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. If I do get a push to the downside, like a three-wave reversal, like down to any one of these Fibonacci levels, and then a nice engulfing move to the upside, I definitely would continue to go long because the daily and weekly is still up. There's no proof that this is over yet. So I definitely will continue to look for three-way pullback Fibonacci bounces to go long, at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. If it does decide to go down and break this low, then that definitely would turn me into a seller. Otherwise, I'm definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.